Hi guys, today we'll see how to fix Apple ID grayed out issue in your iPhone settings. So guys, you can see my iPhone screen in settings. See, my Apple ID got grayed out. If I try to tap on, but nothing is responding. So how to fix this issue? So guys, it's very simple issue. So for fixing this issue, just go to a screen time, just tap on a screen time, and next tap on content and privacy restriction, just tap on it and come down, and now you can try to find account changes and just tap on it, and now you can see here already it's allowed for don't allow, it's selected for don't allow. So just tap on allow, just allow them. Yes, now go back. Now you can see my Apple ID got enabled, guys. So guys, thank you for today. If you like my video, just like, share and subscribe it.